You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. And by the end of this episode, you'll believe that. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Next Level English. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: motivation in learning English. That means how to stay strong, how to keep going, and how to enjoy learning even when it feels hard. And don't worry, I will speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. This is called shadowing. You listen first, and then you repeat after me. Ready? Take a deep breath. Relax. Okay, let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that's okay. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel slow. That's normal, my friend. You are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen, time to practice, time to understand, and time to grow. Some days learning feels fun, right? And some days it feels hard. That's part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On bad days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. You just need to keep going, slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Learning is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you'll see you've already come so far. You've learned new words, you've listened. Maybe it's for your job. Maybe it's to travel. Maybe it's just because you enjoy it. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. Your reason will help you stay motivated. Every day you practice English, you are moving forward, even if it's only 5 minutes, even if it's only listening, even if it's only trying. You are growing. You are becoming better. You should be proud of yourself. You are amazing. Don't give up. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world, and that takes courage. So stay motivated, stay patient, and stay kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Do you agree with that? All right. In the next few minutes, we'll discuss how to maintain your motivation even when you feel tired or lazy. If you're curious, listen to the end. Let's be honest. Some days you feel tired, right? Some days you just don't want to study. You think, maybe tomorrow. I know that feeling. We all do. And guess what? That's okay. It's normal. Even the best learners feel tired sometimes. Your brain needs rest too. But the secret is this. You can keep going even on hard days. Tip number 1. Do just a little. You don't have to study for 1 hour. You don't need to do a big lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one simple sentence. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Remember, learning English is not about doing a lot. It's about doing a little, again and again. That's how you grow. Can you do one small thing today? I think you can. Tip number 2. Remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Is it for your job? To study abroad? To speak with people from around the world? Or maybe just for fun. Remember why you are learning English. Whatever your reason is, hold it close. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it in your heart. Because your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when you feel tired. When you remember why you started, you'll remember why you should keep going. You are amazing. Don't give up. Tip number 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for silence or energy or the right mood. If you wait for perfect conditions, you might wait forever. So make English easy to start. Put your book on your desk. Save a short video on your phone. Set a 10-minute timer. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. Once you start, everything becomes easier. You feel proud, you feel motivated, you feel alive. Do you agree with that? Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm slow. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Don't say, I'll never speak well. Instead, say this, I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing my best. You are human. You are growing. So please, be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. When you speak with love to your mind learns faster. Strange but true, right? Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win. Did you try even a little? That's a win too. You don't need big results. You just need to notice your small victories. Smile at them. Feel good about them because they matter. Every small step is a big part of your journey. You are moving forward, even when it's slow. You are amazing. Don't give up. Say it with me. I'm proud of myself. Good. I am proud of you too. All right, my friend, that's the end of this part. In the next section, we'll talk about how to see your progress, even when you think, am I improving? Don't forget to apply what I've said in your life. See you in part 2. I love you all very much.